Hey guys, on popular demand, here's all the modifications I've done on my Force Gurkha in under 5 minutes. I will link the respective individual videos explaining each mod in detail on the info cards that will pop up on the screen, and I will also link them and give a summary in the description. If it is available online, I will also drop the purchase link in the description. So here we go. Let's start with the exterior mods first. The most obvious modification on the exterior is the winch-compatible off-road bumper from Prad. There's a lot of thought that should go behind the requirement and selection of an off-road bumper. So check out the detailed video linked here. The bumper perfectly mates to the underbody bash plate from the same company. This has already earned its money back in taking some serious bashes off-road. I have installed these custom-made headlight grills to protect the LED cluster and as a nod to the Gurkha Extreme. I've swapped the steel wheels with OE alloys 16 inches from Neo Killers. Rampant upsizing of tires have their own associated side effects, which I have discussed in the detailed video. I've gone for the Maxxis mud-terrain tires within a reasonable upsize spec of 245/75/16. The windshield guard is an OE accessory that have often saved my front glass from thick bushwhacking on narrow trails. I have also installed the OE accessory roof rack. I have got some custom made butterfly mounts installed on the roof rack for easy bolt on and off for my high lift jack. A 20-liter jerry can snugly fits the can holder. Custom butterfly mounts on the side hold my life-saving sand ladder traction boards. I never leave home without them, and this video shows why. Custom built rock sliders, specially designed for this Gurkha. The detailed video explains why I choose to build my own and what are the other options available in the market. Small but significant addition are these emblems I designed myself as a nod to the Special Vehicles division which the Gurkha represents. The rear half ladder is helpful but just enough to get you up and down the roof quickly. A small aftermarket reversing camera is extremely helpful to see low down obstacles in the blind spot while reversing. Let's move to the interior modifications now. The Gurkha's gear knob is low and far, so I have installed these tall leather-wrapped shifters which helps in comfort and reach. And it also helps in quick switch of the left hand from steering to shifter while running competitions. A bit of personalization with custom stainless steel plates for Django. I've thrown in a simple radio communication setup to stay in touch with other vehicles while we are out on the trail away from mobile range. The last small mod but a big help are these knee pads. Hard plastics of the Gurkha do get annoying during long drives, so these knee pads give just the right kind of cushion for the knees. The grain also matches that of the plastic trim, so it is discreet and doesn't stand out. And that's the end of the quick roundup of all my mods. Subscribe to the channel to keep up with the next upgrades. We are mounting a custom-made rear diff guard soon, followed by plonking a suitable winch into that off-road bumper. And the long lead, full-blown off-road bias suspension upgrade is also in the works. So subscribe and stay tuned for all these modifications. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.